shower drain is starting to look like a hair graveyard. That first shot of panic in the morning mirror is exactly what these companies are waiting for. They know that when you are desperate to save your hairline, you are much more likely to ignore the red flags. I spent a solid week tearing apart the claims behind this specific hair regrowth cap. What I found is a masterclass in how to use real science to sell a total illusion. Let us get one thing straight right away. The technology itself is actually the real deal. It is known as low-level laser therapy. There are mountains of evidence showing that specific red light wavelengths can stimulate blood flow. They can jumpstart hair follicles that have checked out for the season. We have seen legitimate peer-reviewed studies proving that medical-grade devices can increase hair density by a significant margin. This is not the issue. The issue is that this company is wearing that scientific reputation like a stolen suit. They claim that 93% of users see massive growth in just 4 weeks. That is an incredibly bold claim. It is also a claim with zero evidence behind it. I went hunting for the receipts. I scoured medical journals and looked for any trace of a clinical trial specifically linked to this device. I found nothing. Zero. There are no independent lab results to be found. There are no official clearances from health regulators anywhere. When you look at the legitimate players in this industry, they show you the paperwork. They give you the registration numbers. They show the study data. This company just gives you a slick website and a lot of empty promises. Then you see those logos for famous health and fashion magazines plastered all over their homepage. It makes them look established and trustworthy. But here's the catch. Those articles do not exist. There are no links to the coverage. There are no dates provided. It is just a visual trick designed to make you lower your guard. If that was not enough to make you run for the hills, the reports from consumer protection bureaus definitely will. We are talking about a documented pattern of predatory billing. People are reporting that their one-time purchase suddenly turned into a monthly subscription. They never signed up for it. Their credit cards are getting hit with charges they did not authorize. When they try to get a human being on the phone to fix it, they get nothing but silence. The company has literally ignored inquiries from investigative agencies. It is a complete ghost town on the support side. This is why it is so important to look past the shiny packaging and the high-tech buzzwords. Just because something uses the same language as a medical breakthrough does not mean the product itself is a breakthrough. There are real, clear devices on the market that actually do what they say they do. They are transparent about their testing. They do not have a trail of angry customers complaining about stolen money. This cap is essentially a high-priced paperweight wrapped in a scientific lie. I do this work because I hate seeing people get taken advantage of when they are just trying to find a solution to a real problem. If you want to support this kind of investigation, there are easy ways to do it. You can use the links I provide for your regular shopping. It helps keep this channel running so I do not have to fill your feed with sponsored junk from companies I might end up roasting later. That would be awkward. A tiny bit of what you spend on everyday items helps fund these deep dives. Keep your guard up. Always ask for the evidence. Stick to the brands that show receipts. Leave the expensive garbage for the people who do not know any better. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I will see you in the next investigation.